Alright, shout out to everyone. Hi there, Chara. Andiyan pa si Chara. Sana nag-enjoy ka, Chara. Alright, shout out to everyone. Alright, gawin natin medyo konting jumpy or para naman mabuhayan ng loob. Puro na lang tayo malungkot na kanta. Alright, okay. Alright, this song coming up next is for ang artist nito is Billy Ray Cyrus. Alright, Achy Breaky Heart. Shout out to everyone. Lovely, lovely morning. Hoping you're enjoying a lovely morning with me. This is Mix D. Shout out. You can tell the world you can never was my girl. You can burn my clothes when I'm gone. Oh, you can tell your fears just a fool I've been and laugh and joke about me on the pole. You can tell my arms go back into the palm, and you can tell my feet to hit the floor. Oh, you can tell my lips, tell my fingertips, they won't be reaching out for you no more. And don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think it understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Shout out Camille, magandang umaga sa iyo Camille. Shout out, and also shout out to Chiara. Fansing, shout out. And you can tell your mom I moved to Arkansas, or you can tell your doctor about my legs, or you can buy the clip whose fist can tell my lips he never really liked me anyway. Or tell your one Louise, tell anything you please me, already I'm okay. Or you can tell my eyes to watch out for my mind, he might be walking out on me today. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think it understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up, kill this man. Oh yeah. Achy breaky heart, good morning. Hello there, Beth. Good morning to you. Shout out, Kate Beth. And don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think it understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. And don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think it understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Oh yeah. That's a very, very wonderful song for you in this lovely afternoon. Shout out to everyone. This is Big C, your sexy cowboy, doing a live performance for you, singing country music, OPM, Hugot love song, and a lot of ballads and standard song for you. Shout out to everyone. Lovely morning, and especially Chara. It's so nice. It's been I do appreciate you, Chara, na nandito ka sa akin live today. Alright, okay.